The hue of a color is related to its luminescence, saturation, incandescence, or wavelength. So let's explore each options one by one. First one is luminance. Luminance refers to the brightness or lightness of a color. It refers to the brightness or lightness of color. It is actually the measure of intensity of light that the color emits. So this is luminance. Now saturation. Saturation actually represents the vividness of a color. That is vividness of color. A high saturated color is vibrant and intense, while a desaturated color appears to be more muted or washed out. So in simple terms, we can say saturation describes how much a color differs from a neutral gray of the same brightness. So it actually refers to the vividness of color. Incandescence. It actually refers to the emission of light as a result of being heated. Emission of light due to heating. It is not directly related to the color in the context of a traditional color models like RGB or CMYK. Next one is wavelength. Wavelength is a physical property of light and it is directly related to the color of light. Wavelength is a physical property and it is related to color of light. Related to color of light. So in context of visible light, different colors will be having different wavelengths. So in the context of the question, that is hue of a color is related to its what? The correct answer here is wavelength, because hue is specifically referring to the attribute of a color that allows us to classify it as red, blue or green, etc. And this classification is based on wavelength. So hue is actually referring to the attribute of a color, attribute of a color that allows us to that allows us to classify it as red, blue, etc. And this is directly related to the wavelength, and hue is related to wavelength. So from the options, option 4, wavelength is the correct answer.